behold, siguro mga 30-40% of their butterflies are from Marinduque. So, alam mo yung feeling mo na super proud ka, seeing yung butterfly is coming from your province. Wow! Diba? Ang nakakalungkot, namatay. But ang nakakatuwa, you can see all the different national agencies right in front of us doing a memorandum of agreement specifically to reinvigorate and buhayin po ang natutulog ng butterfly industry. And so I congratulate and I thank our different national agencies for this very, very talagang napakagandang project for the island province of Marinduque. So sabi ko nga po, and one of those things that I really see, and this may be a challenge to the BPI specifically. Alam niyo po yung paggagawa po natin ng mga butterflies, ang paggagawa po natin ng butterfly farm, yung gumagawa ng cages, very inviting to a lot of tourists. One of the things that I see that we really need to improve upon are the products that we create from butterflies. Nakikita ko po lahat ng ginagawa natin, like yung mga frame ng butterfly, yung mga clock, yung mga ganyan. Although, ang ganda ng idea, but sa tingin ko with the help of BPI and DOST, we could come up with more products that medyo yung finish siguro or yung design mas appealable sa consuming public. I think that's one of the things that we have to look at, and one of the suggestions that pwede po natin ibigay is we tap into those designers in Manila to be able to design sa mga furniture, yung mag-design ng kung ano, and then when we come up with a certain design and how we build that, and that's how we show our mga nandun sa industry natin sa butterfly on how to create those products. Alam mo po, pag pinilong ko po yung mga products natin sa butterfly industry natin dito, it's still the same old product. Products from way back in 20 years, it's still the same. Ang kailangan po natin, innovation. Kailangan po natin mag-innovate. And to be able to innovate and find that perfect design and product, we need to tap those creative people who can actually come up with an idea on how to create that certain product na talagang magbenta natin na not just yung benta lang tayo ng content, yung benta na tinatawagan tayo, order ako 1,000 yan, order ako 10,000 yan. Ganong benta. Those are the things that I want to put emphasis today because sayang po yung butterfly industry natin. Second emphasis, a suggestion to our DTI, specifically on marketing and yung mga DTI to connect our butterfly family here, yung mga nasa industry ng butterfly industry, to connect with mga party coordinators. Hindi lamang po weddings, kundi po birthdays. Kunyari, example, sa BTI, yung mga nag-fashion show, they might want to have those butterflies flying dun sa mga finale nila. Naisip niyo yung mga sinasabi ko? Kunyari yung mga ano, let's not just keep our mind on pang-wedding butterfly, but we look at the other events or look at all events na pwede pasok ang butterfly. Because with that, you don't even have to come up with a product. You just have to come up with the butterfly. So, those are some of the challenges na pinupush ko po sa ating BPI and sa ating mga butterfly producers. And I believe if we're just able to tap that market, ang laki po ng kikitain ng ating butterfly industry. So, sa inyo lahat, alam ko po, in addition pala, sorry, before I close. In addition, always remember, alam ko po ang pamahalaan natin pag may totoo. Alam niyo po, when you look at the symbol of butterfly, it's a symbol of freedom. Yeah. It's a symbol of freedom, it's a symbol of purity, it's a symbol of joy, and it's a symbol of fun. So we try to change the image of the butterfly. And that's how we're going to promote our butterfly industry in the province of Marinduque. And true enough, Governor Presley will be leaving for Balar because ando na nga po nag-training na rin po ang tourism natin. And hindi ko pa nababanggit kay Papa. Ang sinasabi ko po, I've always looked at Marinduque as an island resort. And that's how we're supposed to promote our beautiful island of Marinduque. Not as separate parts, but one big integral part of an island resort. So pag may pumupunta sa ating turista, yun ang feeling nila sa ating probinsya. Isang island resort. So sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat. I'd just like to grab this opportunity to congratulate Ms. Ana Tintiman. Panalo na naman po. Ibang klase talaga. So, sabi nga po namin ni Governor, we need all the help we can get para po matulungan na ating mga kababayan umahon po dito po sa nangyaring napakabigat na pandemya na tumama hindi lang po sa Marinduque, hindi sa buong Pilipinas. So sa inyo lahat, I know we can all work together for the glory of Marinduque and the glory of God. So maraming salamat at isang magandang mga